sorry that I've been MIA. Door store to actually from the cafe. So me and Kayla were, oh my goodness, this that big car looking. See, we can go to lines to separate. Look like it was going to come down. But look, so currently I took this plate right here, and this is what I was talking about earlier, where I should have let it gradually go up instead of. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another banger video, and today it is a sunny day, it's warm. I'm sorry that I've been MIA for the last few days, but as y'all know, I just moved to a whole new city, so I've low-key been trying to figure it out, get everything together, and just kind of, get acquainted with the city. So if y'all don't know, if you're new to the video, I moved from Detroit to Dallas in probably like a week or whatever. I've only been like maybe 3 weeks to a month. And currently right now, I'm about to get ready to go to Dior Café. So Dior opened up a cafe, which is probably like 10 to 12 minutes from where I'm living at. And then I'm also going to go check out their luxury mall, which is like the Galleria, and it's called North Park Center. So I'm going to check that out. I don't plan on buying anything, but I just wanted to see what it's like. Whatever, try to explore the city, woo, bam. But right now, I'm currently waiting on Kay. She went out for a little bit, but she's on her way. She should be crossing the bridge right now, and she's gonna come pick me up. We're gonna go over there, shoot some content, have a little fun or whatever. It's sunny outside. The last few days has been so cold. Like, it's been 14-degree weather, 12-degree weather, which is not normal for Texas at all. But I think today is the first day of all of that breaking, so the next few weeks or moving up should be like in the 70s, 75s or whatever. So with that being said, today is the first day of us being outside or being able to be warm out. Like I said, it was brutal the last few days, so we're gonna do that. Then after all of that happens, I'm actually dropping her off at a concert tonight, which is the Cash Out concert. So if you know Cash Out, she from the city, she here in Dallas. I low-key might go. If I ain't got nothing else to do, if the ticket's cheap enough, I'll just go, say whatever. But yeah, so we just gonna see how today go. I'm gonna post a video for y'all because it's been a minute, I ain't gonna lie. I haven't even been trading like that, which is crazy, but not really, because I've been really trying to catch my rhythm of being in a whole new place or whatever, so you know how that go. But so far so good. Everything's pretty cool. I'm really waiting for the weather to break so we can like be outside more, hang out, do stuff, go places, woo, bam. So like I said, just stay tuned, and I'll probably see y'all in about 2 seconds once we get over to Dior's Cafe. I don't even know if that's the name, but I feel like that's the name. But and today's the actual grand opening day, so we'll see y'all over there in like 2 seconds. Peace. Alright, everybody, so we just made it to, where we make it to?
Highland Park area.
Highland Park area. It's a lot going on out here.
I forgot what the name of this area is, but
it's a vibe,
it's
though.
like Somerset.
Yes, outside Somerset. If y'all know, you know. They got some good stores out here. They got Bruno Cucinelli. I gotta go in there too. They got a Rolex store out here. But the main reason why we came here is to go to the Dior Café. Today was the grand opening for us, so we had to go in there and see what's to it. They actually have a Tom Ford store here.
It's right there.
Oh, dang. Yep, Tom Ford. So we don't have one back at home, but they have one here. So that's pretty cool. But it's a little motion out here though, so yeah. It's nice outside too. See what told me at the last second.
Well,
what's up for that?
I thought you knew.
Yeah, go ahead. See, I thought you knew while I'm on the record. They got a Cartier store. They got
Not like that.
they got a Paget. I mean Audemars Piguet.
The Dior's over here.
Yeah. They got some stores out here. That's fire.
Two dogs.
Yeah, they got Frenchies out there. So, but we're gonna check it out and see what's to her and see how it is. But I'll see you in like 2 seconds. Dang, so we had to come through the Dior store to actually get up here. So it's a vibe in here though. It's like fancy art. All right, everybody. So me and Kaylin just came from Dior, from the cafe. So me and Kaylin were coming down I heard an Aventador, and then I look and I see this. This is a Ferrari. I would have never seen one of these back at home. This thing is crazy. Like, look at this. Oh my goodness, this thing is beautiful. I cannot believe I'm actually looking at this right now. I would have never seen this back at home. But I was talking to one of the guys, you can see him over there. He was telling me like this is like the place to come where you want to see like stuff like this. But it's like this right here, a Bentley Mulsanne back there, a Aventador back there. I think it's a regular Aventador. It's not an S. It's a regular Aventador. But yeah, I was explaining to Kay like, does she know what this is? And she was like, nah, she just, it's like just a car to her. But that's serious. Do it look good?
Yeah.
She not moved. So look, it was way back when Drake had this in his concert. It was like yellow, and it was floating around in the concert. It was a car. It was this car. That thing looked good. She is not moved. She is not moved, y'all. But that is a freaking Ferrari. I can't believe I'm actually looking at that.
Anyway, so.
Yeah, she like them big boys. She like them Escalades. That's her. That's her thing. That big boy. You pull up in that boy.
That shit's small as fuck. You low, you be. I got what's your friend car? I'm like, this is too low for me.
Yeah, see, our outlook on cars as women and men is so crazy. But yeah, that thing looks good. I can't not believe I just seen that,
He
bro.
gonna ask me, the teenager in my.
Yeah, because he ain't trying to hit that car. He know better.
He's like, yeah. I mean, do you got a license?
Nah. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our same video, different day. All right, so yesterday we went to the Dior Café, which was pretty cool or whatever. But as of right now, me actually about to get ready to head out to a brunch. This is my first Sunday fun day, technically, not technically or whatever. But she got some things already for as a gift, I guess, or as a invitation, peace offering for the situation. So we about to get ready to head out. I've taken a couple shots, don't lie. But I feel good. I feel great. We about to get ready to head out and head that way. And I guess I'll talk to y'all when I see y'all.
Bye.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another banger video. And today, it is currently 7:56, Monday, March 10th or whatever. Good morning, everybody. I'm currently getting ready for work. I'm currently late. So I'm on my way to work. I'm late or whatever. But currently looking at the markets. We are looking to see if we can get a 1 minute scout, because that's what I do. EMA, 1 minute scout. It works on a 5 minute as well, but currently looking for these lines to separate. It looked like it was going down right now, so it might be an opportunity for a down play, but I'm not sure yet. It's still pretty early in the morning. News isn't out or anything like that. I haven't even got a chance to check news because I'm running late. But I'm going to keep my eye on this, get ready. I might set up at work or whatever. But, yeah, everybody. So, the apartment is coming together. Sleep shorts. So, the apartment's starting to come together. Whatever you guys, if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Just moved to Dallas from Detroit probably like a month ago. Still, getting the hang of things or whatever. Or getting, things in order. But, yeah, so I haven't had no breakfast yet. I'm all over the place right now. So, apartment's coming together. Couch is here. Rug is here, brand new. Mirror is here. We went on a TV set. Good little vibe early in the morning. Love that. Daylight savings had happened yesterday, so sleep is all over the place right now. Still looking to maybe take a down play for EMA right now. We're not sure. It's still early, like I said. It's only like 7:56, but everywhere else on the other side of the world, it's probably like almost 9 o'clock. So I'm about to get ready to head out for work. Keep y'all updated, keep y'all posted. Just a normal day in my life, getting it together, moving from one city to the next. I'm sorry I haven't been so consistent, but like I said, I've been trying to figure out my life here right now. So I haven't had time to really post content or be consistent or anything like that. But I'm gonna try to just vlog probably the next couple months as I'm getting my feet together and yeah, just make it work the best I can while I figure this all out. So yeah, right now I'm about to head out because I am running a little late. But I can clock in from my phone, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna clock in from my phone and get ready for work, I guess. So, but, you know what I'm saying? If anybody in the DF area are traders, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up. If y'all want to shoot some content, hit me up. If y'all want to, you know, just do something, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. Hit my comment section. So yeah, I'm kind of just yapping right now, because I'm late and I'm trying to vlog at the same time. But yeah, currently, like I said, I feel like it's about to really be a downplay or whatever. So what I'm looking for, everybody, is for it to come down in one direction. I need these to spread out a little bit. Come down, and then I need this to retest and then come back down. So that's what I'm looking for right now. But I have it on my phone as well as on my way to work. I'm probably not gonna take a trade, but I'm just gonna be looking at it while I listen to CNBC in the morning, because I always listen to stocks in the morning. Because I'm trying to learn this game. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, so I'm trying to learn this game or whatever. But today's gonna be a long day. I already know, because over the weekend, my apartment complex that I work for, some other stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day. But then I gotta hit the gym, come back, do it all over again. But I guess I'm gonna keep it updated throughout the day, or try to the best I can. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And like I said, man, I'm just a regular guy trying to make it, do this whole trading journey. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing y'all the real raw, how it is, and having a 9 to 5 and trading and balancing life and moving and having new friends and old friends, and you know what I'm saying? I'm just showing how life is. But yeah, so I'm about to get up out of here. I feel like I'm missing stuff. I am actually. Why am I missing stuff? I needs the AirPods. This is old. You don't need that. Keys, got those. So yeah, head out of here. But yeah, I be feeling my little apartment, y'all. They gonna lie. It's a blessing. I got the done. Automatic. So I love that. But the best thing, or the best part about this part, I got my gloves. Yeah. Best part about my apartment is this, y'all. Woo! Look at that city view. I see this every morning as I walk on my way down to the elevator. Such a vibe. I ain't gonna lie. It's a major vibe. It's a major key. It's a major vibe. But yeah, I swear I'm just yapping right now, y'all. Like I'm not used to vlogging like this. Usually on my car channel with like Josh Ryan, Motor City J, Quan, all of them, my vlogs are totally different. So yeah, just take it too long. Oh, there's that. My vlogs used to be totally different. I ain't used to like just, I don't know, it's been a minute since I vlogged for real. I've actually vlogged here like twice. I put 2 videos up, so y'all go check those out. My moving to Dallas vlogs. Y'all go check those out, but yeah, it's been a minute. So, you know what I'm saying? Bear with me, y'all, bear with me. You know what I'm saying? That's how you be. So, but yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on that and head on to work. And I probably vlog a little bit, but not too much at work. You know what I'm saying? I might just check in with y'all and see if we see some setups. Because remember, like I said, my strategy is a 1-minute scalp. It worked for the 5-minute scalp as well. And after probably like this year, I might switch. People in my comments always talking about just get a prop firm, or why not swing, or da-da-da-da. I'm gonna look at different options, but I'm not about to bounce around. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna learn this, figure this out, and then get comfortable with this, and then when I know I'm ready to move on, then I'm gonna move on. So yeah, that's that. Like you know, and everybody be like, why don't you just get a why don't you just do a prop firm? I can do a prop firm, you guys. That's not the problem. But 1, I don't want all those restricted rules, and 2, I want to be able to use my own capital so I can build it up myself. At some point, once I feel like I'm good enough, Once I feel like I'm really good enough, then I will do prop firm so I can just have the extra capital. But right now I'm just growing my capital, going to work, growing my capital. You know how they used to do back in the day before even prop firms was a thing. Cause you know that prop firms is new. That's not even a whole thing. That's some new stuff. But like I said, rambling, yapping. But yeah, I'm once I get good enough and I feel like I'm comfortable enough, then yeah, I'll probably start do a couple prop firms. But I ain't got time for people playing with payouts and all that stuff, bro. Like, give me my money. You know, I ain't got time for that, bro. For real. So, yeah, I'm about to put on CNBC, put the charts on real quick, take a look at them, and then, yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to work. All right, everybody. Shit, welcome back. But, update. I tried to check my setup. I thought I had a play, but it actually blew past one of my EMA lines, so I did not take the trade. The market's still kind of moving sideways right now, so I'm gonna keep my eye on it. I'm about to do one of my first duties at work or whatever before I can go have a seat. I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can so I can go sit down and pay attention to the market for like an hour. That's a good thing about my job right now, I'm not gonna lie. It allows me to do what I need to do and handle my business at the same time. So I'm about to go in here, check out I'm about to do between one or two of my duties, and then I'm going to go ahead and check the market again. But I got my phone, so I'm keeping my eye on it. Like I said, it's moving sideways right now. The play I thought I had, it blew past my blue EMA, so I didn't take the trade. So I'm being patient, and I'm getting to it, baby. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. All right, everybody, so update. So I did one of my first tasks. I'm doing one of my second tasks right now, which is cleaning up the property or whatever. But update on the market. So I seen another trade possibility that I was going to take. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. I got in and it went against me. It blew past my EMA again, but I got in and I know where I went wrong. So when it comes to my strategy, I should let it gradually tick, you know, like boop, 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 boop. And it was kind of like long tick. Like I shouldn't have did that. I should have knew, but I knew as soon as I got out, I was like, damn, I shouldn't have did that. I should have waited. I should have been patient and just waited. I knew it was off when it was happening. I felt it. It felt my intuition. I felt it was off, and I knew better. So, but I am not going to lie to you guys. I did do a little bit of revenge trading. I put $150 in the account, and I made $2.10 last week. Small profit, 2%. Keep my risk management very low. You know what I'm saying? So until I can get enough capital in there. But I'm not gonna lie. As soon as it happened, I was upset. I got emotional. I took a trade into another sale. I made back my original investment. So I went down to 148, came back to 150, and then I got out once I got my original investment back. So now I'm looking at another strategy. But as a new trader, don't do that. It goes against your psychology, it goes against your rules, it goes against everything that all your mentors tell you about. I'm not gonna lie, I got emotional, I was a little upset. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So I did revenge trade. I don't recommend it at all, but I did do it. Just something I gotta get used to, you know, so I'm just being honest and vulnerable with everybody, because, you know, this is the life of a beginning trader. So, like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on any more plays. I'm actually looking for another sell option. I believe news is pretty cool today, nothing crazy. So like I said, I'm gonna keep it up there. I'm gonna get back to work, and I'll see y'all when I got another play ready. All right, everybody, so update. I took another trade for a sell. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen as like the last one. Took a sell position and it went against me. It's the second time today that my strategy, it went against me twice. I'm going in for one more trade because I do 3 trades a day. Once my third trade, if it don't go my way, then I'm done for the day. I see maybe a buy opportunity. No, I lied. I think I see a sell opportunity, another sell opportunity, and I might not take it because it's been against me twice. So, yeah, just updating y'all. Today has been a bad day for the markets in general. I've been trading Euro USD. It's been choppy, for sure. Been choppy all day. It's only Monday, you know what I'm saying, early in the year, March, you know what I'm saying. We'll see how things play out. But yeah, just giving y'all a little quick update or whatever. After this, after I get off, I'm gonna go edit, go to the gym, and I'll probably call it the vlog then. But yeah, the day in the life of a regular basic beginner trader. This is just what it is, you know. Work, trade, learn, go to the gym, hang out with your friends, whatever the case may be. Yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. Alright everybody, so update. So I'm just gonna run y'all through it right now while I got some time. I'm on my lunch. But look, so currently I had took this play right here, and this is what I was talking about earlier, where I should have let it gradually go up instead of making these huge jumps like this. This was my mistake and it went against me. So this is my first trade. My second trade, I did the exact same thing. Wait a minute, where you at? Right here. Same thing. It was coming down in my favor, pull back, and then it has kept going. But like I said, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even think I know what happened right here. I had to diagnose this one a little later, but I'm on lunch right now, so I'm not. But I don't know really what happened right here. I don't know. But then again, I don't know. I'm not gonna sit here and lie, yo. I don't know. But so I had an opportunity to take. I said I'm gonna do one more trade. My third trade, I'm out. Ooh, but bam. This would have been my third trade. Now look, I told you I was waiting on this play. I was waiting on this to play out, and it came down, retested, and came on back down. This is a perfect trade. It would have closed out right above my 25 EMA line, and that would have been a perfect trade. 2-to-1 risk reward. I like this trade, and this would have been beautiful. I've been waiting on this all day. All my other trades kept going past my blue EMA line, so it was kind of like messing me up and blowing me out. So right now we got some separation going on again. We might potentially have another opportunity. It's 1:30 here. Yeah, about 1:30ish, and we might have an opportunity for one more pullback, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. So if I see one, I'll take it, but if not, I'm not gonna trade. But yeah, so that's the life, the day of my journey, I guess, or one of my days. But yeah, today the market's been kind of choppy all day. I'm not gonna lie, it's been choppy all day. So it's the name of the game. You win some, you lose some, but you live to fight another day, as Pops will say. So yeah, so just waiting on another opportunity. Hopefully we can get another opportunity before the day is over. If not, there's always tomorrow. But yeah, like I said, after I get off work, I'm gonna gym, eat, back test, see where I went wrong, see where I went right, and then wake up Tuesday, try it all again. So yeah.